To add crypto to Ledger Flex, start by ensuring you have the latest version of the Ledger Live software installed on your computer. Ledger Live is the official companion app for Ledger hardware wallets, including the Ledger Flex. Next, connect your Ledger Flex to your computer using the provided USB cable and open the Ledger Live software. You will be prompted to unlock your Ledger Flex by entering your PIN code. Once unlocked, navigate to the Accounts tab in Ledger Live and click on Add Account. This will open a new window where you can select the type of cryptocurrency you want to add to your Ledger Flex. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to add from the list of available options. After selecting the cryptocurrency, Ledger Live will guide you through the process of setting up the account. This may involve installing the necessary firmware updates on your Ledger Flex, as well as configuring the account settings. Once the account is set up, you can view your account balance and transaction history in the Ledger Live software. To receive cryptocurrency, navigate to the Receive tab and select the account you just created. Ledger Live will generate a unique receive address for the selected account, which you can share with the sender. To send cryptocurrency, navigate to the Send tab and select the account you want to send from. Enter the recipient's address, the amount you want to send, and any additional transaction details as required. Best practices for managing your cryptocurrency on Ledger Flex include keeping your PIN code and recovery phrase secure, regularly updating your firmware, and being cautious when sharing your receive address. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely add and manage your cryptocurrency on Ledger Flex using the Ledger Live software.